Now we will provision Cloudant database in IBM Cloud. I am logging into IBM Cloud, cloud.ibm.com. Username, continue. Enter the password. If you don't have IBM ID, you should create one. Now we logged into IBM Cloud. Now I'll search for Cloudant database. Cloudant. Click here, Cloudant service. Cloudant, a scalable JSON document database for web, mobile, IoT and serverless applications. Here you can see the Cloudant Lite is free. You can create it freely. Here you can see multi-tenant, available regions London. You can change it. Now if you change it to dedicated, you can create a host, but it charges you. We'll choose the multi-tenant database. It's a light version. You can see here 20 reads per second, 10 writes per second, 5 queries per second, 1 GB storage included. It is in the pre version. Now I'll click create. Service created. The service might now it's already created. Let's go to the resources now. Already it's in the resource list. Go to databases. Here you can see Cloudant got added here. You can see provision in progress. Currently it's in progress. Open this. This is a CRN, location London we chosen, external endpoint. So preferred external endpoint they shown. This one is the authentication method here. Capacity you can see reads, writes, global, queries and storage. You can go to plan here. This is the light plan we provisioned now. Limited throughput and storage, capped at 1 GB of data storage. Okay, all other things like read writes we just seen. Then go to connections. Currently we don't have any connections. Service credentials. You can generate a new set of credentials for cases where you want to manually connect an app or external consumer to an IBM Cloud service. Now we will see how to create a database. I'll go to manage. I'll open the dashboard. Here you can see launch dashboard. The dashboard is open. Here you can see the option create database. Other options here are, this is analytics. You can see the current operations details, throughput, reads, writes, global, queries. If there is any denied request, it show here. This is the storage details. Stored data includes your JSON documents, indexes and attachments. Storage assessments occur once every 24 hours. Light accounts that contain over 1 GB of data during storage assessment will be locked. To unlock a locked account, upgrade to a paid plan, or we can delete the data. That should return to within 1 GB limit, because we have a pre-plan that is having only 1 GB limit. Here it shows the active task. These are the capacity. You can go to IBM console here. Here it shows the capacity details. If you need more capacity, we can upgrade to the different plan. Currently we have this capacity, this is free. Now if you want to move it to the more capacity plan, we can go ahead with the other plan. We can upgrade to standard plan. Now we will create a database. I'll go to databases, click create database. Database name, I'll name this as CloudDB1. Keep everything small letters here, and you can choose non-partitioned or the partitioned. If you are in doubt, you can choose the non-partitions. You can see here details. If your data can be modeled within the constraints that it imposes, partition can improve performance for large database. Okay. If you are in doubt, choose non-partitioned database. We are just using small database here. I'll choose non-partitioned. Click create. Database created successfully. Now I'll go back to database section. You can see the CloudDB1 got created. And one more settings we can check here. I'll go to this option and you can see the CORS here. Cross origin resource sharing. It lets you connect to remote servers directly from the browser. Using CORS, you can host browser-based apps on static pages and load data directly from Cloudant. Now currently it's enabled, and also it accepts origin, specific origin, restrict to specific domains. You have to give the name here. From that domain only it will accept the request and it can fetch the database. But we will choose all domains. It will accept all domains. Any domain from any IP address, this database can be accessed. Okay, now I changed it. We will see more details about database operations in the next lecture.